Hello everyone, my name is Karna. I am 6 years old. I am in grade 1. Now I am going to show you how to make a paper boat. First, any color paper and a scissors. Now you fold the paper into a triangle shape and you cut the down part, remaining paper. Careful. Now you keep this paper aside. Now you open it and fold it into a rectangle shape and a square shape. Now one side 3 and one side 1. And you open it. Again you close it. And open it slowly. First you press neatly. Don't break it. See, here is the blackboard. Thank you. Bye bye.